I seek passage to the north.
Then you are on the right path. But to follow it, you must take up Koda's flame.
What is it?
This is the very spirit of fire, as old as the world, given to my tribe by Koda the Creator for safekeeping. The fire brings balance to corruption. If that is your purpose, you must carry it to survive.
I think you should listen to that bear, Commander. I'm picking up some very high readings from that fire. Oh, you've definitely just picked up some ancient magic.
Go now. Carry the fire into the north. My people will teach you its secrets.